Good day, everyone. Nowadays, mental health often considered a significant challenge for students. Many face pressures related to academic performance, social interactions, and even transitions to adulthood, which lead us to issues like anxiety, depressions, and stress. So, we conducted an interview with the students regarding with mental health issues about their insights, how they face this kind of issues, and also the possible solutions.
Good morning, Miss. I'm Jocelyn Erica Lauron, kanang a regular student, then B.Ed. So, mo Miss. Hello, good morning. I'm Frenzy Kabugwang, also an irregular student, BSTM. Okay. So, na ako yung mga few questions about sa mental health me. So, okay na pa ka? Sige. Ang first question ako, how comfortable are you with discussing your mental health with others? Comfortable ba ka nga imong i-share imong experience about sa mental health sa lain? Actually, if like strangers lang, kay dili ko comfortable jud mo open up about sa mental health. But if kanang close friend lang or friends, kay naadjay times nga makakuan ka, maka-open up. Okay, so ang second nga question is, how often do you experience feelings of loneliness or isolation? Actually, I don't usually feel loneliness. Pero kanang if kanang naamagay times nga like burnout na ka sa tungod sa tungod sa certain circumstances, so kana sa jud time nga kanang maka-feel kag loneliness, especially kanang if like naa kay mga kuyog and then murag dili yan ini mo feel nga kan maka-feel sa gayana. So ang last question, Miss, is how did friendships impact your mental health? Ka- Um, um, Friendships kanang they kuan jud kanang importante sa jud sila sa imong life, especially when about sa mental health kay kanang usa sa ba sila sa like makatabang sa imuha, especially if like ganahan kag advices from them kung unsay kanang ilahang ma-help nimo to kanang sana solve your problems yana. Sige, thank you, Miss. Hello, good morning. I am Anjin Gabasa, a BA third year college student, and you are?
I'm Jinlin Dayanan, tourism student first year.
Okay, so I will be asking some questions regarding your mental health. Okay, so question number one, how did friendships impact your mental health?
So, para na ko friendship okay raman siya sa akong mental health kay when it comes sa problema kay maduulan gani ang friends.
Okay, so number two, what is your coping mechanism when you feel sad or stressed? Like unsay mong buhaton if sad ka or stressed ka?
Honestly wala raman kanang dili ra na ko na akong problema gani or mangita gani kog lingaw.
So the last question is, do you have a support system? Who can you turn to when you need help? Kinsa imong taganan if you feel sad or need that help?
Pa na akong uyab.
Oh, yeah.
Yes kay siyam gud ako ma-share ang tanan when it comes sa family problem or other problems. Kanasang kanang if kanang goal kay ko siya akong daganan na gani.
Okay, so that will be all. Thank you so much and have a good day. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pwede ka ma-interview, sir? So, sir, ako dahil si Edu Casiol. I am a Bachelor of Elementary Education, third year. And you are, sir?
Third year mathematics.
Ano yung name, sir?
AJ Floyd.
Age Floyd. Good morning, sir. So, nakoy three questions, sir. First is, how often do you experience feelings of loneliness?
When kanang time nga stress and manginahanglan kag kanang someone nga makatalk nimo but wala kay maduulan.
So, second question, sir. How do you support a friend or family member who is struggling with mental health issues?
Simple lang kayo kay muhatag ra kog advice ang mga positive, then if nangihanlan sila tabang kay nara ko always.
So, last question, sir. Last question, sir, is how did friendships impact your mental health?
um, dako jud kay nindot jud siya basta na kay friend kay if stress kay ka or depressed kay na jud kay maduulan or masultian sa imong mga problema.
Okay, sir. Thank you, guys, sir.
Good morning. I am Ethel Shamay Lamberte. I am third year B.Ed. And you are?
I'm Mark Orlani Abagat. I am BSSM, so I'm first year. So nice meeting you as well.
Okay, so I have few questions about mental health. So have you ever experienced stress, pressure, depression, or anxiety?
Uh, Sometimes kada kuan sa gabi, kuan stress, depression as well. Naka-experience ako na heartbreak inana. Yes ma'am. Kaya kuan jud.
So do you find it challenging to balance your emotional health with other responsibility like school or work?
Sometimes kay kuan sad lisod sad nga working student man sad ko as part nga kuan estudyante na lisod sad sa time sa pag-manage kay tungod na daghang kay projects, assignments or uban pa na og lisod sad kay nasa duty o mana makatipunog ang stress mana challenging jud ang kuan nga part.
And how often do you experience feeling loneliness or isolation?
Kuan mostly times ra jud karang wala jud kay wala sa mood ma-feel ra jud nimo nga kuan nga empty ra kay imong self na lonely. I mean sa akong kaugalingon daghan ko friends pero lahi ra man jud sa part nga kada gabi nga ikaw ra usa nga magunahuna sa ka ba nga ana nga so I'd say nga ma-feel sa naglo-loneliness gamay.
So thank you for your time, sir.
Good morning, Miss. I am April May Lopez, BEd 3, and you are?
I'm Earl Romano, BHSM, and I'm first year college.
So I have a few questions regarding some mental health issues. So the first one is, when was the last time you felt truly happy? What were you doing?
Kanang naka-feel ko happy when kanang banding my friends, families, and kanang doing my favorite tasks just like badminton, volleyball, that's what I mean.
Okay, thank you. So the second one, have you experienced stress, pressure, anxiety, and depression?
Actually, yes. I already kanang experience that kind of situations, especially kanang facing the challenges in school and kanang nag-abot ng kanang problems, family problems, school problems, and selfish kanang kuan.
Okay, last one. What is your coping mechanism when you feel sad or stressed?
Actually kanang kung maka-feel ko gingana na kuan kay akong buhaton ra jud kay number one kay maligo para matangtang ang mga problems sa akong kuan nya. Kanang init kay akong ulo so ma-refresh akong mind, and number two is matulog kay maka kuan sad ko kung matulog kay dira tanan maka-cope up akong brain, makapahuway sad akong brain ko sa akong kuan nya, makabuhat sad ko sa akong mga buhaton nun kanang sakto na buhaton nun. Di way masayop.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
So, good morning, sir. I'm John Carl Gumalpak, and I'm a third year BEd, and I'm here to conduct an interview for you about mental health issue. So, what is your name, sir?
I'm Eljan Gidokos, BSHM2.
So, here is my question, sir. What do you think is the reason that triggers your mental health?
Can you repeat, sir?
What do you think the reasons that triggers your mental health?
Ang triggers sa mental health is kuan sir, mga kanang like stress, financial problem, like
Thank you, sir. So the next question is, what is your coping mechanism when you feel sad or stressed?
coping mechanism nako is mo kuan lang ko kanang sports like basket, ipagawas na ako digto akong ka stress.
Thank you. And the last is, do you have a support system who can turn you to when you need help?
Support system.
Yes, like family or friends.
Yes, I have family pero dili sa na usay dili na ko share nila ang kanang mga problems na makayar na pero okay ra.
Thank you, sir.
So good morning. I am Elizabeth Bilaraga, third year BEd, and you are?
Julian Aigalon, first year PSTM.
So I have here a few questions about mental health issue. So how how comfortable are you with discussing your mental health with others?
Comfortable ko i-discuss ako ang mental health issue if ako ang mga friends ra akong ikuan like comfortable naman ko nila so okay ra kay nako kanang kanang sa ilaharan ako masulti ako ang ako mental health issue.
And how do you support a friend or a family member who is struggling with mental health issues?
Like kanang i-comfort na ko din sila then murag ilaag ganin na para makuan nila ang mind nga dili sa magnahon na abot silang mental health.
So, how did friendship impact your mental health?
Kanang grabe ka impact niya kay basta with naaka nila kay di naman ko makanahon na og sa imong mental health like imong nunaon kay imong mo enjoyment sa imong like laag ra jud.
So, thank you, Miss.
Hi, I'm Ivy Rose Fuentes, third year college, and you are?
I'm Genuine Kumingking from BSHM 1, first year.
So, naara ko i-question nimo about sa mental health. How comfortable are you with discussing your mental health with others?
Not that comfortable because I have a trouble expressing my thoughts. I'm introvert and I can't express my thoughts very well in terms of spoken.
How often do you experience feelings of loneliness or isolation?
Probably not really because I'm surrounded by good people including my friends, families, and my girlfriend.
Okay. How do you support a friend or family member who is struggling with mental health issues?
Probably I would encourage him or her to do well and keep it up because everything happens for a reason.
Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning. I am Jocelyn Layos from third year BEd student, and you are?
I am Daniel Iser Espinosa. I'm a BSHM student and I'm first year.
So I have a few questions here regarding to mental health. So first, do you have a support system who can turn to when you need help?
Yes, I have many persons that I can turn to need help like my family and friends.
Second is, how comfortable are you when discussing your mental health with others?
Um, my experience with explaining to them is easygoing if they can understand me.
Okay, and lastly is, do you find it challenging to balance your emotional health with other responsibility like school or work?
Yes, it's influenced with my studies when I'm depressed or when I talk to other persons.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, good morning. So I am Ella Garciano. I am a BEd third year, and you are?
I am Jacqueline Bornia from BSEd English.
So I am here today to interview you regarding sa mental health. So the first question is, have you experienced stress, pressure, anxiety, or depression?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think the reason that triggers your mental health?
The reasons that can trigger my mental health is kasi ang mga problems sa balay mo na.
So, do you have a support system who can turn to when you need help?
Yes, my family and friends.
So, thank you.
As we conducted the interview, we found out that every individual have different insights about mental health issues and the way they handle it. But always remember, your struggle doesn't define you. It is just part of your journey. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Thank you for watching.